the answer regarding alternative treatments for ADHD is yes and no. The research would tend to show that dietary restrictions, for example, restricting food colorings and sugars and so forth, for the most part, are not beneficial. On the other hand, there's some new research that shows that certain food colorings, especially yellows and reds used in certain kinds of food, may aggravate ADHD type symptoms in some kids, and so if they're restricted, it may help. The research on sugar is the same. The big studies show that it probably doesn't cause ADHD, may not even worsen it, and yet I've seen parents whose kids have benefited greatly from their restricting their diets in some way. So the bottom line is this: if you want to try these alternative methods, do it. But if your kid, despite trying these methods, is still suffering from symptoms of ADHD and potentially getting into difficulty either because of grades, behavior, drugs, friends, whatever, then I think it's time to go the more traditional routes. Neurofeedback, some people swear by it. Other experts say, no, there's not much data. Again, I think it's always worth trying whatever you can to help your children, even if the benefit is that you're paying more attention to your kids and they're getting better that way. Hey, that works as well if it helps the child get over their symptoms and progress. However, if your child suffers from severe ADHD and as a result their life is being negatively impacted, I think it's probably worth seeking out more traditional treatments for ADHD in addition to or instead of the alternative treatments.